Hi.
Martin, you'll know the answer to this.
Hi, mate.
Do we need the green band to get in?
To get in? No, no.
Cool.
You should be right. Have you got a sticker on the front of your bike?
Yes.
You'll be in.
Thanks,
no
mate.
worries. Any other questions? What'd you call me? Bastard.
Oh,
I know both my
that's just a
fathers.
given. Oh.
I want to be on your YouTube channel.
You are?
Am I on it now?
You're on my YouTube channel.
Your YouTube
Hello,
channel.
YouTube.
How do we get on your OnlyFans?
I've been speaking too much. How do you get in my underpants?
How do we get on your OnlyFans?
Oh, that's it. All right. Hey,
Same thing. Same thing.
Not what I heard just then, but anyway, that's fine. You got a smiley face happening there. I hope I'll have a smiley face. You know. So I'll have to click that little thing down the bottom saying this is not suitable for children. Thank you, guys. Hey guys, welcome to the 2022 MRA SA Toy Run happening here in Adelaide, South Australia. We've got possibly about 2,000 to 3,000 bikes that have turned up for this event. Yeah, vast array of bikes as you'd expect for something like this. And the weather here is not too bad at the moment. It's a little bit humid. We had a bit of rain this morning. A few bikes have been slipping over on that because we're actually on the V8 Supercar track. The Velo V8 Supercar track, and the track itself generally is pretty good conditions, but there's a bit of rubber on it, so it's a little bit slippery. So a few bikes have sort of slipped around a little bit, but that's fine for us adventure bike riders because we love that sort of stuff. So we'll be heading from here, leaving in about a half an hour, heading up into the Adelaide Hills, and it's quite cloudy up there with a fair bit of rain. So hit the freeway all the way to Callington, which I assume is about 70 kilometres from this point here. Should be great. We're with the South Australian Adventure Bike Riders and we're a lead ride group this week and looking for a great time. So we got old Santa Claus over here giving me a bit of a briefing.
Thanks, Dutchy.
There we go. Thank you.
No worries.
All right, safe ride, guys.
How you been, mate? Okay, 1 minute to go to the start of the run. Bikes are starting to warm up, revving up, and we're all pretty excited. Well, I'm excited. PJ, you excited?
Oh, fuck. Yeah.
You excited? 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 No, not excited. Excited? Oh, here we go. Lou's leading us out. We're out. We're on. How awesome is this, guys? Up the front. Loving it.
Need the GPS.
Yeah. See where I'm going. I need my GPS. See where I'm going. How's that, Lou?
Very good, thanks, Mark.
No worries. How great is it seeing the kids' faces when they see us come through? Some of them super excited.
Yeah, they sure are.
Nearly as excited as me.
They all want to jump on the back.
They do. Especially your bike.
So that's true.
Did you have room?
this one?
We have stickers.
Stickers.
We have stickers.
Fantastic.
Chomp away. What is that?
Bacon.
It's bacon?
29th January.
Looks like a kangaroo tail.
Pretty good.
It's good, is it?
Not bad for $16.
Wow. That's almost all 5 food groups in one, isn't it?
Look at the fat in that.
Healthy. Let's do it.
Are you after male or female?
Male.
Yeah.
I think I identify as male.
Serious? Are you serious?
This is on YouTube now.
Hey, it's a black dog.
Unchain my heart, baby, let me go. Unchain my heart, 'cause you don't love me no more.
And the winner for me is Suzuki V-Strom.